the word form. So we're writing TWENTY, 23. It is two words, 23. And sometimes you see it with a hyphen in between, 23. And since it has a 3 in the ones place, it is odd. Let's move on to factors. So we know 1 times 23 is 23. So we write out the factor pair right here, 1 times 23. 2 doesn't go in because it is an odd number. 3 doesn't go in because when we're counting by threes, we go 18, 21, 24. So we pass it up. 4 doesn't go in because it's not even. 5 doesn't go in because it needs to end with a 0 or a 5, and it does not in the ones place. 6 doesn't go in because we go from 18 to 24. 7 doesn't go in because we go 21, 28. 8 doesn't go in, 9 doesn't go in, 10 doesn't go in. Basically, no more goes in. And so because 1 in itself is its only factor pair, it is prime. So not a very flexible number. Let's move on to addition. So I'm going to move my paper up so you can see everything we're doing. So we have 23 plus 1 equals 24. 23 plus 2 equals 25. 23 plus 3 equals 26. 23 plus 4 equals 27. 23 plus 5 equals 28. 23 plus 6 equals, and remember, we're just adding the ones place because there's no added tens place, so that would be 29. 23 plus 7. Now, here's where it changes. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 20 equals 30. 23 plus 8 equals 31. 23 plus 9 equals 32, and 23 plus 10 equals 33. We're going to take this number up to the top for our subtraction. Oops, 33 minus 23 equals 10. 32 minus 23 equals 9. 31 minus 23 equals 8. 30 minus 23 equals 7. 29 minus 23 equals 6. 28 minus 23 equals 5. 27 minus 23 equals 4. 26 minus 23 equals 3. 25 minus 23 equals 2. And 24 minus 23 equals 1. Boom. Hopefully you checked all your answers. We're looking good. We've set ourselves up. We're looking at different patterns, helping ourselves understand more. Let's go on to multiplication. So we have 23 times 1, of course, equals 23. We can just write that one out like that. And now we're going to be stacking to get our problem. So you get good practice of multiplying. We got 23 times 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 23s is 46. 1 is 23. Let's go on to 23 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. So 3 23s is 69. Let's go on to 23 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. We drop the 2, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So 4 23s is 92. 23 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. We drop the 5, carry the 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So 5 23s is 115. 23 times 6. 6 times 3 is 18. We drop the 8, carry the 1. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So 6 23s is 128. This is good practice, just listening and following along or actually doing it. If you did not do this part because you're not sure about it, that's great. Just do it along with me. Make sure you're writing everything down. 23 times 7. Looking at your paper, 7 times 3 is 21. Drop the 1, carry the 2. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 2 more is 16. So 161 is how much 7 23s are. Let's go on to 8 23s. So basically, this is a fast way of adding. Instead of writing 8 23s down and trying to add them up, this is the faster way. We always want to go the easy route. 8 times 3 is 24. We drop the 4 and carry the 2. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 2 more is 18. So 8 23s is 184. 23 times 9, always trying to mess up. 9 times 3 is 27. We drop the 7, carry the 2. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 2 is 20. So 9 23s is 207. And remember, any number times 9, we can check if all the digits added up equal 9. So 2 plus 0 is 2, plus 7 is 9. Boom. And then, of course, 23 times 10, any number times 10 is itself with a 0 in the ones place. So 230. All right, we're done multiplying. Every day we want to practice our multiplication. Here we go with a nice practice. Now we're moving on to our linear measurement. First, working with standard form of measurement, which is inches, feet, and yards. We have those all sitting right here, ready to rock. So today the number is 23 inches. We know that it takes 12 to make a foot. So we're going to put 12 as our denominator. 23 is our numerator. This is an improper fraction because the top number is bigger than the bottom number. So we're going to break that down, starting with 12 12. So if we take 12 away from 23, that leaves 11. So we have 12 twelfths and 11 twelfths equal 23 twelfths. So we know this is 1 whole foot with 11 over 12. So we have 1 and 11 twelfths feet. That's what 23 inches equal. And we're going to turn this into yards. It takes 36 inches to make a yard. So we have 23 36 of a yard. So we have yards, feet, and inches. Here we go. We're going on to our metric form linear measurement, which is centimeters, decimeters and meters. So let's move on. We have 23. That's the number of the day. So we always use that. Makes it easy. 23 centimeters. We know it takes 10 to make a decimeter. So we're going to put 23 over 10. That's making an improper fraction. So we're going to break it apart to see how many decimeters we have. So we have 10 over 10 plus 10 over 10. That's 20 plus 3 over 10. So 3 plus 10 is 23. So we know we're in the right ballpark here. So let's see how many decimeters we have. 1, 2, because the same number over a number, the numerator being the same as the denominator makes that 1 whole. So 10 out of 10 means we have everything. So we have 2 whole with 3/10 decimeter. So we know that 23 centimeters is the same as 2 3/10 decimeter, which is the same as 23 out of 100 meters. So we only have part of a meter, 23 hundredths of a meter. And there you have it. Our number workout is complete for the number 23. Have a great day. See you for the number 24.